We have the question, which of the following does not leave a remainder of 9 when divided into 189? So if we have the number 189, but there's a remainder of 9 involved, we can subtract that remainder, and what we're really looking at is which of these numbers here goes into the 180 evenly. Because this 9 is always added on at the end, so we can get rid of it, and then we're just going to see which of these are factors of 180. So some of these we can look at right away, and we know that they'll go into the 180 evenly, right? 180 definitely goes into 180 evenly. It goes in one time. So if it helps to write it out, 180 times 1 equals 180. 90 also goes into 180 evenly 2 times. And we should also know that 10 goes into 180 evenly. Any number that ends in 0, 10 can go into that evenly. So 10 times 18 equals 180. So now what we're left with is just really deciding between B and C. Well, for C, we know 45 goes into 90, right? 45 times 2 equals 90. And since 90 goes into 180, that means 45 is going to go into 180. 45 times 4 equals 180. Which leaves us with B. And so just to check, we can go ahead and do long division real quick. Does 25 go into 180? We could think of this 25 as quarters. So 25, 50, 75, 100, that would be our dollar. And then let's go again. 125, 150, 175. So that would be 7 25s. And that would get us 175, but not 180. We would have a remainder of 5 here. So this 25 does not go into 180 evenly. This makes our answer B, but let's just see why this works, why we can do this. So we'll do some long division just to check our answer. So let's do 10 into 189, and let's make sure that we get a remainder of 9. So we know that 10 goes into 18 one time. We subtract, get an 8, bring down our 9. 10 goes into 89, 8 times. 8 times 10 is 80. I have a remainder of 9, right? And let's do C. 45 into 189. So 45 goes into 180, let's say 4 times, which again leaves us with a remainder of 9. 90 into 189. That would be 2 times. It's 180, again a remainder of 9. And then 180 into 189. It's 1. Again leaves us with a remainder of 9. So you see, in all these cases, we had this 9 at the bottom, which we were able to get rid of that because again that's the remainder, and we're really trying to see which of these went into 180 evenly. And you see we have a 180 here, we have a 180 here, we have a 180 here, and we really have a 180 here as well because this 1 here is in the hundreds place, this 8 here is in the tens place, so this is like a 180. So that's what you're really doing, and that's why you're able to subtract the remainder first, and then you can go through quickly using your rules of division and just determining which one goes into what you have left once you've gotten rid of that remainder. And in this case, that's 180. So again, B is our answer.